So today I am going to be building the ultimate wood carving bench. What I have here is this is a clamping bench that I bought from Harbor Freight Tools for 22 bucks, but I'm only going to be using the top part of it. I won't be using the legs. I will be using all the nuts and bolts that came with it though. And then also I have a Lazy Susan off of an old swivel chair that I had. And I have this 2 foot by 4 foot 3/4 inch plywood. I think it's an old like a form for pouring concrete. It's got this surface over it. So that's what I'm going to be using to build it. And then a couple of 1x6s. And then actually these are a little bit thicker than 1x. They're pallet boards. And then also I have a 2x4. Well, it's actually not a 2x4. I think it might be more like a 2x3. This is pallet wood too, that I'll be using to build all of this. So the first thing I need to do is I need to cut down all the stock. Okay, so I have everything cut I need. I have one piece of plywood. It's 11 inches wide by 40 inches long. These other two pieces are both 11 inches wide and they're 19 inches long. And then I have these 4 1x's. I have them 11 inches long and they're 2.5 inches wide. And then the 2x3s, they're 2.5 inches wide, and then they're 13.5 inches long. So that's everything I need to put this all together. I just have to drill some holes now. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I need to mark these holes to drill into here. And this has the threaded mechanism to open and close these panels, so I don't want this to sit down on it because that might interfere with it, make it harder to move. So what I'm going to do is I'm set it down on here, and then I'm going to put a level and then see where it's at, and then I'm just going to raise it up a little bit, keep it at the same level. And then I'm just going to mark the holes. That way when I bolt these on, it'll be up above the mechanism and it won't rub on it when it moves. Okay, so this is a finished product here. The way I have this set up, it's got a wider platform, so I can clamp it down wherever I need it. My plan is I'm going to build a, actually I have a sawhorse I think I'm going to use. And I'm going to cut the sawhorse down so that this surface right here is probably about 36 inches or so. I'll play around with it for what's comfortable for when I'm carving. So, and then I'll mount this onto the sawhorse so that this whole platform is sitting down. But right now it's set up so I have these bench dogs that came with it, so I can just put them in wherever I need to, and then I can move these to clamp it down. It will swivel for wherever. If I need to work on this side, I can just turn it. I'll be able to do all my work from this spot right here, so I can spin it whatever direction I need. And then also I'll be able to tilt it. So I can have it tilted like this, and then if I need to turn it wherever I need to get to whatever I'm doing. So so that's about it. I think this is going to work out really good. I'll when I get the sawhorse that I'm going to use, I'm thinking about maybe just building some legs and have them angled like a sawhorse, you know, and then mount them on here so that they'll fold up underneath this bottom platform. And then these are sticking out here, so I might put a handle so I can carry it. So I'll be able to fold it up, carry it wherever I need it, fold the legs out, set it up, and then I'll be ready to go. So anyway, that's my project, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see what I get into on carving and anything else I'm going to be doing. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.